comes Hannah's birthday cake.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Anna. Happy birthday to you. I'm going to bring him a little closer. It'll be easier to blow out. Get closer. Ready? Blow hard. Blow hard. Ready? Like that. One more. Oh, you got him. Yay.
Oh, yay.
Oh,
Wow, it's a pretty cake.
What's on your cake? Seth, you get your fingers off now for now, okay, buddy? What's that, Anna? What's this?
Cow.
That's not a cow. That's a cow. What's this one?
Sheep.
A sheep. Yes, there you go.
What in there?
That's a barn. Is there something in the barn?
What in there?
Anna, are you eating your cake? Well, let's go ahead and get you a piece so you can start eating, okay? Mommy, go get you some cake. Yes.
Is it good cake? Is it good cake? Okay, don't touch it yet, Seth.
Okay. Hold on. Mama coming.
You're the proud grandparents.
And the proud grandparent.
Wow. What does that look like, Seth? Is it a pretty cake? Yeah, we're going to eat that cake.
Oh, you know what I didn't get Anna?
A party hat.
Oh,
Kendall.
I need a hat. I forgot about the hat.
You're going to need a hat.
Need a hat?
Me hat.
Okay, here you go.
My hat. Me hat.
Here we go. Got your hat. Grandmother, could you put a hat on Anna?